Da da da. Drone shot, drone shot. Lands a key. Somale Cantanera. Aha guys, long time no see, long time no see. Right now I'm here at work mill. There's a river nearby where I'm planning to do stand paddling. Let's see. The weather is really good today. 18 degrees Celsius. It's summer, finally summer here in Toronto. Navigating my way to the Humber River for kayaking or maybe stand paddling. Let's see. It's 12:20. They have told me to be here by 12:45. Meanwhile, I go and get some tea. Any drinks? Ooh, that's the subway track. This is the river where I'm going to be paddling. It looks so peaceful. That's the Oak Mill station. All set for paddling. I guess these are the paddle boards. Oh, finally guys, we're on board, This is the subway track. No, I think this is the road and that's the subway track. This is the Humber River kayaking, paddling, stand paddling. It's so difficult to balance, so I'm just sitting here. Let's go down. I think the water is pulling me up. The peaceful, but it's $50 for 2 hours. I think that's pretty expensive because if you calculate for 8 hours you'll be paying around $200, right? And for 200 you will be able to get a new one, your own new paddleboard. So it's up to you guys. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, I can see your underpants. Show the birds. Sorry birds, I didn't mean to scare you guys. The water is... Oh, the water is not deep. Just 1 feet, I guess. Alright. It's time to stand up. This is not the right way. Da-da. Drone shot, lands a key. So many. So if we go straight, I think we'll reach Lake Ontario, because this river connects with that lake.